Welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn how to design a YouTube thumbnail on Canva. We can always see that the thumbnail on YouTube, they usually have this white outline on the people, like this or like this, sometimes even with colors. So how do we do that? Usually people will actually advise us to use Photoshop. However, if you are a beginner and don't want to put too much time on learning Photoshop just for this outline, we can actually do it on Canva. First of all, what we have to do is open up Canva, then you can go to presentations. Once you click on it, it will lead you to this blank canvas. Next, we should put in any colors that you want to, and then you can either upload your photos, or we can go to elements, search for people, and I will select this picture. It seems like a good picture for thumbnail. Then the next thing that we will have to do is to remove the background of these pictures. Now, if you are a premium member, we can actually go to effects right here and then click on background remover. Canva will actually remove the background for you. However, if you are not a premium member, we can go to upload image, drop your image in here, and then re-upload on Canva. So you can have your photos with your background removed. So now here we can see that the picture's background is perfectly removed. Next, the thing that we'll have to do is to put a white outline of this picture. We have to go back to effects and then we'll go to shadows, click on glow, then click on it again so we can adjust the settings of it. The blur should go to 0, transparency 100s. Now you can see that's actually a black outline. If you want it white, we can change the color from here, or any color that you want to. Just go to white and then adjust the size from here. Click on apply, enlarge it, put it at the corner. Next, you can put in whichever text that you want to. Here at Canvas, they actually have some templates for you already. I will select on this. That's it. Here is your thumbnail for your own YouTube. Next, what we have to do is just go to download and then select PNG for the best quality, high quality image, download, and here you have it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. I will see you the next time.